Hello everybody, my name is Justin and I'm going to show you a snapshot of what my lab report was about. Now the broader theory my lab report is focused on is pluralistic ignorance. Pluralistic ignorance is when individuals misrepresent or lack information on perceived social norms of the majority which are contrary to their own private attitudes. I asked AI to give me a simple example of this and it came back. In a classroom, the teacher asked, "Does anyone have any questions?" Although many students are confused, no one raises their hand because they assume everyone else understands. Meanwhile, each student privately feels confused but believes they're the only ones struggling, leading to a false perception that everyone else understands. Now, my group specifically is interested in the level of belonging in two different groups, an acceptance group and a rejection group. Participants were asked a series of questions including what their general level of belonging was before the manipulation occurred. Also, they answered what their guilty pleasure was. Based on what group they were in, rejection or acceptance, they were given a false screen saying that either a lot of people had a similar guilty pleasure or that the participant's guilty pleasure was rare and therefore they were an outlier. After this, what's called a post-test occurred to see the participants' reported level of belonging. We hypothesized that the acceptance group will report higher levels of belonging compared to the rejection group, who will report lower levels of belonging compared to their previous baseline numbers before the manipulation, also called the pretest.